Keroy here, and this poem is called Pleasantness, reading from my book Flying Without Wings. Pleasantness, be a good human. Kindness, generosity, understanding with grace. Be a wise human, applying all the wisdom as it flows forth, a source of solutions, a source of stability in a world that has lost its way. Be the light that awakens the sleeping giants and dull existence of other humans. Your pleasantness is needed at this time. Your full attention, intention, and engagement are the prize, the magic source that raises the hope of many, that builds the faith of the faithless. Show up in pleasantness and love with all your heart. It is enough. Pleasantness. Talk to you soon. Keroy here.